Hey everybody, this is Joshua Belland, and I'm just doing a recap of the local SEO factors for 2013, a presentation that I did for the Houston Chapter Automotive Service Association. And just in this screencast, we're just going to cover basically just all the local SEO factors that are coming into play today. So on the agenda, we'll just be going over um, some of the different contributing factors to local search and how Google ranks those results. So first thing we did is we kind of went over some of the potential that's out there, and this you can pretty much find with any service-oriented industry or product within the area. But what we did is we just did a little bit of keyword research, and we identified a few keywords that had a high amount of traffic, also high competition, but local search gives us the ability to take these geo-targeted keywords and rank as long as we're following the best practices and doing our local search optimization correctly. So the first thing we looked at was Houston Auto Repair, and we saw that the Google Keyword Tool, which is just an estimation, not an exact number, but it gave us about 9,900 local searches per month. And then the Automotive Repair Houston keyword, keyword Automotive Repair Houston, gave us 4,400 local searches per month. And then Houston Auto Service, also 4,400 searches per month. So in total, just with those three keywords, which when you're doing SEO, you target usually a lot more than three keywords. These may be our main high traffic keywords. So if we could basically rank for more than that, we even have a higher total volume. But just with those three keywords, we found that our volume would be 18,700 searches per month. And one of the things you want to look at here is, organic results versus paid results. And the reason is because local search, does come up in the organic search results. But what we found is through some studies that we've done is that local search actually gets more attention when we've produced eye tracking heat map, or studies that we found that have produced eye tracking heat maps. Notice that the top two local results get the most attention even when there's organic results in the universal order. So 87% of the clicks go to organic results, which means that a high number of those clicks are going to go to local results based on the studies that have been done. So here's a eye tracking heat map that was done. And this was on local pizza places in Chicago, and you can see that there are a few ads up there, and there are some organic results below that in the universal order. However, the top two local results are getting the most attention, and thereby they're most likely getting the highest click-through rate. So one of the first step to getting on Google Local is creating yourself a Google Places page. And here's a link to go to Google Places. You can also go click the link below and see the link to SlideShare, where you can easily click on this link and download this deck and go create yourself a Google Place page. So optimizing a Google Place page, it's very basic. You just want to make sure that you're choosing the proper categories for your business. You want to do your best to put the keyword in the title so that it sounds natural. The address, you want that to be in the city that you're optimizing for. So, one example is in Sugar Land. In Houston, we have a smaller city outside of Houston, where in the suburbs, with a city called Sugar Land. And if we wanted to optimize for local search in the Houston area, putting our address in Sugar Land probably would not be the best idea. In fact, we would have a very difficult time showing up on local search. And so with that point taken, we'll move on to the next one, which is, Google